In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a maiden name to your LinkedIn profile. This quick and simple task will only take a few minutes of your time, but it can make a significant difference in how you connect with colleagues and friends on the platform. Let's get started right away. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be presented with the LinkedIn sign-in page. Here you can choose to log in using your Google account, Apple ID, or simply by entering your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login by sending a code to your phone. Follow the instructions to confirm your identity. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. From here, let's move to your profile by clicking on your profile picture, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll need to select View My Profile. This will direct you to your personal LinkedIn profile, the hub of all your professional information. Now we're going to make some edits to your profile. Look for a pencil icon on the left side of your profile banner and click it. This icon gives you access to the Edit Intro section of your profile. A pop-up window called Edit Intro will appear showing various fields you can update. Focus your attention on the Additional Name field, which can be found under the Basic Info section. This is where you can enter your maiden name. Adding your maiden name can help people from various phases of your life find you more easily on LinkedIn, whether they're former classmates, colleagues, or network connections. Once you've entered your maiden name, it's important to control who can see this information. Click on the visibility icon next to the additional name field. A small menu will appear allowing you to choose the audience who can view your maiden name. You can select only you, your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members, depending on your privacy preferences. After making your selection, ensure that all the information is entered correctly and that you're satisfied with the visibility settings. Finally, click Save to apply the changes to your profile. Your maiden name is now successfully added to your LinkedIn profile and will be visible based on the criteria you've set. And that's it. You've learned how to add a maiden name to your LinkedIn profile in just a few simple steps. This can foster greater connectivity and ensure that your professional network can reach out to you easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful LinkedIn tips and tricks.